What up guys, welcome to another video. Today, Trevor and I are headed to get lunch real quick. You already know. Had a white one before. We're headed to LKQ now, which is like the #1 like biggest used auto parts distributor in Phoenix. I think they have LKQs like everywhere across the country, but we're gonna get a mirror finally, so we don't have to look at this bunk thing. And we're gonna ask for an interior door handle right here, potentially a motor for Trevor's car, and if they had a killer deal, I'd be down to just screw it and put a newer motor in this since we're making outsides so nice. I did order wheels. Those are gonna be here hopefully this week, maybe early next week, and the bumper should be here tomorrow. So it's about to get interesting. It's like IKEA for car parts. Just leaving LKQ, we got the passenger mirror. Let's check it out. Finally. It's actually in good shape. Non-heated.
Everyone was asking like, why don't you just replace this? But like, look how gross these aftermarket mirrors are compared to that. Look how much better that's gonna look.
Yeah.
That's why we wanted to replace the whole thing.
We want the stock OEM look because it's just way better.
Excuse me? Brother! He's gonna wreck. Brother! And he's like,
We've got your mirror.
those freaking ricer bros, you won't even look at
We've got your mirror, brother.
this. He's so confused.
Just got back to the house. Trevor's getting some run-in shots of the car in this stage of it right now, so we can have a really clean comparison of what it looks like before and after when we get done with it. We got wheels on the way, we got a bumper on the way, we got trunk spoiler set up on the way. I won't tell you about it yet, but I pre-launched Mazdaspeed, just so you guys know. The link is right here on the screen, link in the description. If you guys want a custom Instagram sticker for your car, it comes in a pack of 2. You can order it through me. I'll send it to you personally, and also we have some other little stickers like this guy right here. So I would really appreciate it if you guys check out the link on the screen and in the description, Mazdaspeed.com. I will announce the giveaway winners for an intake for an STI, a bag that I use, a computer bag that I use every day, a dash cam, a charging phone case for an iPhone X, and a couple other things I can't remember. And I'm working on getting even more things, so when I come out with clothes on Mazdaspeed.com, if you, whoever buys something, you'll be entered into getting one of those things. So I'm really excited for it, and would appreciate you guys check out the stickers now and kind of get a feel for the website. And there's a 350Z poll for what color we should wrap it. But yeah, just so you guys know, the wheels are white. First up on our Amazon car parts is, let's see what it is. This is a wiper delete for the rear of the 350. All the links will be in the description to order this, so this should get rid of that wiper and seal it up, and then all we'll be showing is this top cap right here. Just a clean look for the back. LED lights from Nail Light, or I don't know how to say their name, but these are some LED lights for around the car, license plate light, a couple other things for mirrors. So we're gonna install those on the 350 as well. Thanks to them for sending these out. Simple addition, I'm gonna leave the links in the description. So let's go ahead and put these on. Wiper delete, we're gonna go ahead and pop this panel on the trunk.
Should be enough room right there. So you got this little end cap here. I just stuck a screwdriver under there and pried it up. Comes off, and that looks like, oh, it's already loose. It's already hand loose. Look at that. That.
Oh, jeez, almost took my thumb off. Oh, hey, this came off now. This is the hole that we're working with now. Perfect. By the way, this is made for a Honda, so don't trip when you see the listing title. It does fit a 350, I found out. So we take one rubber seal, put it on the top half, the other rubber seal fits right in there, and then we take the stud, or I don't remember, screw it in all the way, and then Trevor's gonna take this up top.
Make sure that O-ring sits on there flat, or else it won't seal. Just kind of go in there.
Tightened up the back side, tightened up the top side. We're looking good. Sweet. The LED lights next for the license plate. Pull this out. So this is how it comes down. So all you gotta do when you're looking up in there is when it's seated in there, you stick a screwdriver up, press on this tab, and it'll release this whole housing, and then we twist the bulb, and then the housing will come off, which we should clean that. And then here's our bulb we can slide out, and let's grab our new one real quick. Slides in nicely, sweet, and then we're gonna take our housing once we clean it, turn it back on, and stuff it back in there. There's one over here, and there's also one right here, same exact thing on this side. Here's a comparison of the two. We got our old one versus the new one. How do those look, Trevor?
Pretty good. Blast them out of the air compressor now.
Cool, awesome. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. We did the LEDs, we did the windshield wiper delete, and I ordered them on Amazon. Links below, super cheap. There's getting more and more things on Amazon Prime for car parts, and this one's for a Honda, but it fits for a 350, so dig around in the questions to look for if it fits on your car. That's how I found out that it fitted on this for sure. But other than that, Mazdaspeed3 there's some stickers on there. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm excited to finish this build, and all the parts we ordered is ridiculous. I'm so pumped. You guys definitely want to be watching and staying tuned. If the titles are misleading, we're probably doing something else, so don't feel like you should skip it. If it's a basic install, it's every step of the way. It's important. So I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Later.